If there is a welcome bar, and this tutorial song will teach you how to make money using this Helasmart website. So, starting a flash, go to website or your browser, type Helasmart. So, after typing that, then you'll be able to this website, choose the first link, here or there, but just make sure. Run it on this website. So, when you're on this website, let's just go back not to the wrong page. When you're on this website, you'll be able to a platform that will be able to make you money. So this website shows that you can register now for digital access, where they can say from you about what they do, the affiliates are predictor, they fix their specific. If you want to show more, like NABO, then you can see their arms, it works. So all you have to do is click on register. So on register, you put your username, put your mobile number, put your email here, put your password, and confirm it. Then you contribute. But when you want to register as an affiliate under someone, because that's what really makes money here in this business, because this is called affiliate marketing. So all you have to do is follow the link that you apply as given. For example, let me log into my account, because and I show you the affiliate link I'm talking about. In this account, I'll show you the deal that I was given when my account was activated. All you have to do is really make sure that you follow it, because I want to give you a step-by-step process on how this is free done. So this is the amount of money I've been able to make through Helasmart. It's a two-time 80K. In the amount. So now what you want to do is go down. Here, this will get you a foreign. This is the foreign. I'll post it in there. Description with review so that you can register using this email. So, want to meet an account with the app using this link that is the online customer app to 56 code. This is what you will all be using. So as you can see, 31 people have been able to register using my room, and our iPhone. So make sure these people just go ahead to your team. And everyone, these are the people that have been able to register using my page, and they have extra paid them money when that's with so these are the people. And this is the 4 amounts of money I've been receiving from each and every one. The channels paid so that's it. I have to be smart, alone. To perform in Ghana, I have to perform in Kenya. So, when you want content there, these people has given you WhatsApp. Here you can share or just talk to them or you chat. So, let's go back. I'll show you more about this Helasmart money making website. So, when they want to make real cash, when you're activating this account, all you have to do is go and get your referral link. So when you have what you referral link, that's the link that you use to share with your friends, and when your friends are registered and activate their accounts, you'll be earning in all these methods: YouTube earning, TikTok, TV channels, have games, King Flows, you and spin and win. Instead of showing you how still free spins will be put your funds account. You read every news or you also get 10 accounts. So, it's just easy as you can see. It's just being so empty, but much of this.